Welcome to the Genesis GV70 2.5T. This is the all-wheel drive version, but you can save yourself about $2,000 and opt for the rear-wheel drive setup as well. This example is coated in a lush Brunswick green with a matte finish. The camera doesn't really do it justice, but in person it looks really elegant and luxurious, especially for its price tag, although the paint is a $2,000 option. Adding an extra layer of visual stimulation, this features the full luxury and sport line packs as well, adding dark garnishes around the body and a range of high-end features inside, including an awesome 16-speaker sound system. The GV70 has been on sale now for a couple of years, but it still looks very modern in our opinion. We also like that it's distinctive, it's not simply copying the rivals. The twin stacked headlights and taillights work well, and the coupe-style rear profile gives it an obvious sporty flair. With the option packs fitted, you also get these massive 21-inch alloy wheels, with a cool gunmetal grey tint. They hide uprated 4-piston performance brakes as part of the Sportline pack, and they're wrapped in Genesis-specific Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tyres, measuring 255/40. This interior is one of the best in its class. It's well made, very well equipped, and filled with technology. There are also plenty of unique touches in here to separate it from its rivals, such as a huge 14-inch widescreen infotainment system, and fully digital instrument cluster that offers an innovative 3D effect. Passenger space is pretty good in the GV70, with decent legroom and headroom in the front and back. The roofline is a bit lower than some of the more upright rivals though, and the centre driveline tunnel is quite chunky in the back. But all in all, this offers adequate room for this class. You've also got full rear climate control as part of those option packs. Boot space is slightly down compared with some of the German rivals, but only just. But with the rear seats folded down, which you can do via tabs on the sidewall, there is actually more space than those rivals. You've also got some extra storage under the floor. Although it's a small pocket, it is handy for wet or mucky items, such as swimming gear or work boots. As for the engine, this 2.5 litre turbo-petrol 4-cylinder is quite unique, on paper. It's also very powerful for a 4-cylinder. Performance is respectable though, but not class-leading, considering some rivals offer similar sprint times with less power. This is what it goes like.